M. Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see a relay power method. Relay power method. In this method, so what we will do means we can find the largest eigenvalue for the given matrix, or it may be a 3 cross 3 or 2 cross 2. So we can find largest eigenvalue of the given matrix. They will give that one eigenvector. For that eigenvector, we are finding the largest eigenvalue. That eigenvalue should be largest eigenvalue. That eigenvector should be 1, 1, 1 or 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, like that, anything may be. So here they will specify that eigenvector. For that eigenvector, we have to find the largest eigenvalue and corresponding eigenvector we have to find out. Now here they'll give find. So first problem in this method. So directly I'm doing find largest, find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector, of the matrix in power method. Power method means relay power method only. In power method, given that 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 eigenvector should be at the corresponding eigenvector. I'll write it as 1, 0, 0 transpose. Transpose or dash they will give. This is the corresponding eigenvector 1, 0, 0. Now, how do you simplify this? You can simplify this by using first the given matrix solution. I'll take the given matrix, I'll take solution. The given matrix A equal to 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. This is A matrix. Then x naught. What is that? X naught should be 1, 0, 0. This is the x naught matrix. Now we can find first Ax naught. Ax naught means A matrix and x naught matrix. You have to multiply. You will get a column matrix. From that you have to take largest eigenvalue 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. Then x naught should be, x naught is 1, 0, 0. Now if you'll simplify this, if you'll multiply these two, you will get first row with this column 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0. If you'll add all that, so you will get 2. Next, similarly, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, so 0. Next one should be 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is 0, 2 into 0. 1 plus 0 is nothing but you will get it as 1. This is 2, 0, 1 you will get. From in this, I'll take 2 outside. If I'll take outside 0, sorry, I'll take 2 outside, you will get first element should be, first element is, we'll get it as 1, 0, 0 0.5 you will get. This one should be lambda 1 x1. Lambda 1 x1 we'll take. Now we'll take it as Ax1. If you'll take Ax1 means A is nothing but 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2. This is x1 is 1, 0, 0 0.5. If you multiply this, you will get 2 into, here see, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 0.5 is nothing but, we'll take it as 2.5. Next, second row with this column, 0, 0, 0, this one should be 0. Then third row with this column, 1 into 1, 0 into 0, 2 into 1, that should be 2. Now again, I'll take 2.5 outside. So if you will take 2.5 outside, we'll get 1, 0. 2 divided by 2.5 is 0.8. 2 divided by 2.8 is 0.8. This one I'll take it as lambda 2 x2. Now you will take a x2 equal to, what is that? A is nothing but 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 into x2. What is the value of x2 is nothing but 1, 0, 0.8. If you will multiply this, how much you will get means 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 0, plus 1 into 0.8 should be, you will get it as 2.8. Next, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0.8 is 0, so you will get 0. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 0 is 0, 2 into 0.8 is 1.6. That is, if you add that one totally, you will get 2.6. Here, largest value should be 2.8. I'm taking largest value 2.8 as outside. So then the time you will get here 2, 0, 0.93 I will get. So 2.6 divided by 2.8 is 0.93. So I will take it as this one should be lambda 3 into x3. Next, similarly, I want to find ax3. So you have to find ax3. ax3 is nothing but 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 into x3. The value of x3 is nothing but 2, 0, 0.93. 0.93. If you multiply this, you will get 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Sorry. If you take 2.8 outside, so what you will get here? Here should be, this one should be 1. This is 1. 1 into 0.93. Here also, if you take 1 into 0.93, if you take 2 into 1 should be 2, plus 0 into 1 should be 0. So 0 into 0 should be 0. 1 into 0.93 is nothing but 2.93. This is 0. 0 into 1 should be 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0.93 should be, this is 0. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 0.93 is nothing but you will get 2.86. 2.86. We can take common 2.93 because the largest element. We'll take 2.93. Here I'll get 1, 0, 2.93, 2.86 divided by 2.86 divided by 2.93. So you will get it as 0.98. You will get 0.98. This one should be, I will write it as lambda 4 into x4. I will write lambda 4 into x4. Next, similarly, ax5. ax5 is nothing but, so we'll take a into x to the power of 5. A x power 5 equal to a is nothing but 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 into ax5. This is x5 is nothing but, so if you take that previous one, x power 5 should be 1, 0, 0.98, 1, 0, 0.98. So if you simplify this, you will get 2.98, 2.98, 0, 2.96, 2.96. If you will take 2.98 outside, so you will get 2.98 divided by 2.98 should be 1, 0. 2.96 divided by 2.98 is nothing but 0.99. This is lambda power. So already I took up to, what is that? lambda power 4 x power 4. This is lambda power 5 x power 5. Lambda power 5 x power 5. Next, a x power, sorry, the time it should be, this should be a x power 4. Next, a x power 5 equal to, that a x power 5 is a is 201 020 102 into x power 5 is 0.99. Now you will get, so if you will multiply this, you will get 2.99, 2.990, 2.98 you will get. So you know that how do you multiply this around? 2 into 1 is 2 plus 0 into 0, 1 into 0.99. So you will get, if you will add 2.99 you will get. So if I will take 2.99 outside, so I will get 0.997. 0.997. This is lambda power 6 into x power 6 you will get. Then similarly, ax to the power of 6 if you will do, so this is 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 into x power 6 should be 1, 0, 0.997. So if you will multiply this, 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0, 1 into 0.97 is nothing but, if I'll simplify this, 2.997. Next one should be 0. Next one, if you will multiply, 1 into 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0.997, if you will multiply, you will get 2.994. Now, if you will take 2.997 outside, so you will get 1, 0, 0.999. This is lambda power 7 into x power 7. Now, largest eigenvalue. Here see, here 2.99 is there, here 2.997 is there. So we will wind it up to here. If you'll see here, the eigenvector also 100.997 we are getting. Here 100.99. That means almost here reaching to same. That eigenvectors reaching same. So that's the way I can stop the process. Largest eigenvalue is 2.997. This one approximately I'll write it as 3. Corresponding eigenvector is nothing but, corresponding eigenvector is 1, 0, 0.999. So if you want, we can write approximately this one. I can write it as 101. I will write. So when we can stop the process means, if this eigenvector 100.997 is there, here 999 we are getting. So at least approximately 2 digits are same is there. So we can stop the process. If you'll see this eigenvalue also, here 2.98 is there, here 2.99 is there. Both are not matching. So here, if you'll come to this, in this 6th iteration, ax power 6, we'll get here 2.99 is there, here 2.99. Even corresponding eigenvector also coming accurate, approximately same. So that's time we are stopping the process. Next problem, we'll solve one more problem. We'll solve in this method. Find the largest eigenvalue using Rayleigh power method the given matrix what that given matrix means: 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3, and the eigenvector is 1 1 1. transpose, or dash also they will give. Here also you have to find by using what is that relay power method I have given. Find the largest eigenvalue. Now the same method what we have used previously, the same method we are going to use here. Solution. The given matrix I am taking as A. A is nothing but 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. This is the given matrix, and x naught, so x naught equal to, what that x naught is nothing but 1, 1, 1. This is the x naught. Now we will take A x naught equal to, what that A matrix is nothing but 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 into x naught. The what is the value of x naught is nothing but 1, 1, 1. This is x naught, A x naught. So if you will multiply this, you will get 6 into 1 is 6, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So if you will multiply 6 minus 2 plus 2, if you will take, so you will get first element should be 6. Then similarly you have to multiply minus 2 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. So if you will multiply, you will get 6, 0. Next one should be 4 you will get. So if you will take 6 element outside, 6 is the largest element. We'll take 6 outside, so I'll get 1, 0. 4 divided by 6 is 0.67. Now this only I can write as lambda power 1 into x of 1. Next, similarly, I have to find AX1. AX1 I have to find. So what does that AX1 means? AX1. So what that AX1 means? A element, A matrix, we know that 6 minus 2, 2. Next one should be minus 2, 3, minus 1. Next one should be 2, minus 1, 3 into X1. What is that? X1 is nothing but 1, 0, 0.67. 1, 0, 0.67. This is AX1. If you will multiply 6 into 1 is 6, minus 2 into 0, plus 2 into 0.67. So if you will multiply this, you will get 7.34 minus 2.67. This is 4.01. If I'll take outside 7.34, if I'll take outside, so what are the element you will get? You will get 1. So 2.67 divided by 7.34 is minus 0.36, and 4.01 divided by 7.34 is nothing but 0.55. This one I will take it as lambda 2 into x2. Now similarly AX2 I will take. AX2 means A matrix should be 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3 into x2 vector. What is that? X2 is nothing but 1 minus 0.36, 0.55. So now if I'll simplify this, you can multiply this, you will get it's 6 into 1 minus 2 into this, 2 into this. If you multiply and add that one, so you will get first element should be, you will get it as 7.82. Similarly, minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 0.36 minus 1 into 0.55. Will simplify, you will get minus 3.63. Next one should be 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 0.36, 3 into 0.55. So if you will simplify this, you will get 4.01 you will get. So if I'll take this one common, 7.82 I can take common. So you'll get 7.82 if you'll take common, you will get 1. minus 0.46, 0.51. So this one I will write it as lambda 3 into x3. Lambda 3 into x3. Now we'll take ax3 equal to ax3 is, what is that? A is nothing but 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3 into x3. What is the value of x3? We know that x3 is nothing but 1 minus 0.46 and 0.51. So now if we'll multiply this, 6 into 1 is 6, minus 2 into minus 0.46 plus 2 into 0.51. So if you'll add this, so you will get in the form of, just if you'll add this one, you will get 7.94. Then second row with this, if you'll multiply, you will get second row minus 2 into 1, 3 into minus 0.6, minus 1 into 0.51. So if you'll multiply, you will get minus 3.89. And next one should be third row with this column. If you'll multiply, you will get 3.99. Now I can take 7.94, I will take out. If you will take 7.94, we'll get 1 minus 0.49 and next one should be 0.5. Now this one I can write it as lambda 4 into x4 I will write. Next one should be a x power 4. What is that? A is nothing but I will write 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 into x4. What is that? x4 is nothing but 1 minus 0.49 and next one should be 0.5. So if I will multiply and simplify this, 6 into 1 minus 2 into 0.49 plus 2 into 0.5. If you will simplify, you will get 7.98 and next one should be minus 2 into 1, 3 into 0.49 minus 1 into 0.5 is nothing but minus 3.97. Next one should be 2 into 1 minus 1 into 0.49, 3 into 0.5. You'll simplify, you will get 3.99. You will get, so then again if I'll take 7.98 outside, if you'll see here, you will get 1 minus 3.97 divided by 7.8 should be minus 0.5 and this one should be 0.5. Here lambda 5 into x5 I can say. But here you can look, lambda power 4 is 0.49, here 0.5. Here next step, what is that? You got it 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 here. 0.5, 0.5. But both are not. X4 vector, x5 vector are not same. Now I'm going for AX5. I'm going for AX5. What is that? AX5 is nothing, sorry. AX5 is 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3 into 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So if you will multiply this, you will get first row with first column. So you can multiply. So you will multiply this, you will get here 8, 8 minus 4, again 4 I will get. So if I will take 8 is the largest element, if you will take, here 1 is there, minus 4 divided by 8 is minus 0.5, 4 divided by 8 is 0.5. This is lambda power 6 into x power 6. Now I can say that for this x5 and x6 both are looking like same. So now that means eigenvectors are same. Now I can say that largest eigenvalue is largest eigenvalue lambda equal to 8. Corresponding eigenvector but that corresponding eigenvector is 1 minus 0.5. Another one should be 0.5, which is the required solution for the given problem. The largest eigenvector is lambda equal to 8 and the corresponding eigenvector is 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.5.